How to use your time properly in Ramadan. Ramadan doesn't change your life by itself, your habits do. If you don't manage your time, Ramadan will pass like any other month. In this video, I'll show you a simple practical way to structure your day in Ramadan so you can use your time properly without stress, confusion, or burnout. Ramadan doesn't change your life automatically. Time passes the same way in every month. The only thing that changes is how you use it. If you don't manage your time properly, Ramadan will go like any other month and you will finish it feeling tired instead of transformed. The biggest mistake people make is thinking that emotions will carry them. They won't. Only systems do. Start your day properly by waking up for suhoor with intention, not last minute eating and rushing. Pray Fajr properly, not quickly. Sit for few minutes after Fajr instead of opening your phone. This small habit changes your whole day. During the day, live normally, do your works, your studies, your responsibilities, but protect your energy. Avoid useless conversations, arguments, gossips, and drama because they drain you more than hunger. Ramadan is not just about controlling food, it is about controlling reactions, words, and behavior. Create fixed spiritual time slots instead of random worship. Decide when you will read Quran, when you will make Dawah, and when you will pray extra. This removes laziness and confusion. Don't turn Ramadan into a sleeping month, a food month, or a scrolling month. Use it as a discipline month. When your day has a structure, Ramadan becomes productive instead of chaotic. Change comes from system, not feeling. End your day with reflection before sleeping. Review what you've achieved and what you missed. Adjust your plan for tomorrow. Small, consistent improvements compound over time. Ramadan is an opportunity to train your mind, body, and soul to act intentionally every day. Use it fully, and your productivity and focus will improve permanently. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share it with someone who can benefit, and subscribe for more practical Ramadan guidance.